All right, let's talk about that system. So there's a tropical wave right now that's located near Haiti and heading toward Jamaica to the south here. And as it enters the Western Caribbean, there's a 70% chance, a high likelihood, according to the National Hurricane Center, that this will develop. The next named system is Sarah. Now, the Western Caribbean this time of year is the spot to track in the Atlantic Basin for development because the water is still plenty warm enough to develop and nurture and create a tropical system, and that looks exactly like what we're facing here. Now, as far as where it goes, typically this time of year it either moves into Central America or gets deflected northeast through the Bahamas over Cuba and out to sea. There's a chance with this one that it enters the Southwest Gulf, which could put parts of Florida, especially South Florida, in jeopardy in about 8 to 10 days from now, but it's simply too soon to say because the system hasn't formed yet. And until we have a forecast cone, which won't happen until likely this weekend, it's just too early to take any action as far as planning. We'll just monitor it. That's where we are right now. It looks like by Friday, we'll have at least a tropical depression, maybe a tropical storm Sarah. And then from there, well, it really depends on what happens with this deflecting area of high pressure, which will be sitting over Florida doing just that, essentially trapping this system in the Caribbean for several days. There's a chance as this high moves out that this could move into the Gulf. But the latest landfalling hurricane in Florida was November 10th, 2022. And here we are on the 12th of November. So, you know, looking back at history, that alone is a pretty compelling case why this wouldn't make a landfall in Florida. But, you know, history is made every day, and it's possible that if Sarah forms, that it could shatter the records and we get a late landfalling hurricane, but that would be unlikely. So that's the good news. In other words, we'll watch and wait. A lot of the computer models will provide a solution that suggests that, oh yeah, South Florida is going to get hammered. It may hit Central Florida. We just don't know. Most likely it won't hit at all.